for hours and hours for them to hydrate. And I have a head of garlic. There's a whole yellow onion. There are this whole thing in there. I believe it is 2 pounds. And also we're going to use a little bit of Tony Chachere's seasonings. Okay. So let me start mixing this up. And then I've got gloves on and I need both hands to mix. I made a mistake though. I had a telephone to get wrapped in bacon, and that will hold everything together just fine. So that's good. We will bring you back when we do the bacon wrap. We'll use those either or we could fry it up and have it spatched in with some scrambled eggs. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Oh, you have a bigger impact when you're, I guess I can give a little delicious. Actually, delicious. You know the drill. Anything to help the channel. Here to smoke a little bit. Look at that. These ones here. And I'd offer you one, but you're not here.